Miss Geeta Lahari asked, "How to control the negative thoughts?" Swami replied, "O learned and devoted servants of God, a negative thought comes when the negative thought is not destroyed. Hence, destruction of negative thought is essential. The negative thought is also destroyed by positive thoughts. In the destruction of negative thoughts, you have to directly destroy the negative thoughts and reach the zero level of peace. After zero level, the plus sign or positive thoughts are more powerful to destroy the negative thoughts. Hence, you have to fight against the negative thoughts and also at the same time fill your mind with positive thoughts. For example, underconfidence, ego, jealousy, etc. are the sources of negative thoughts. Worship of God and reading the life histories of incarnations and devotees of God develop positive thoughts.
Lord Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita that propagating divine spiritual knowledge pleases the Lord greatly. Jnana yajnena tenaham. Spiritual knowledge brings about permanent harmony and peace in the world. So join us in sharing this universal divine knowledge of Lord Datta and earn the highest grace of God.